English speaking course. Do traditional English books make you frown in confusion? Have you done tons of exercises but still feel stuck when speaking? Then stop locking yourself in complicated grammar and English books. Close the books and come with us. Your videos that are simple, practical, and actually helpful. A place where your speaking and listening skills will truly grow. You'll learn how real people use words in everyday conversations. And pick up life lessons that are both easy and meaningful. So what are you waiting for? Let's start. Never give up. Hey, Mom. Mike, how was your day at school? Did you get back your test scores? Yep, and they're not so great. What do you mean? Well, I got a B in English, a C in Spanish, and another B in math. That's not the end of the world, dear. I'm really disappointed in myself. I should have done better. Listen, Mike, our family doesn't define someone by grades alone. You're a wonderful student and a great son. Thanks, Mom. I promise I'll put in more effort and not give up. What do you do in your free time? Hey, Anna, what you up to? Just surfing my socials. Is that your usual free time drill? Pretty much. My phone's like a Swiss Army knife. YouTube vids, awesome playlists, and loads of chats. Sweet. I do some web surfing too. Other than that, how else you spend your downtime? Most of it's devoured by reading. Really? I'm a bookworm too. What genres do you dig? I'm all about fantasy and horror tales. Yikes! Horror is a no-go for me. I'm more into romance stories. I prefer romantic genres. From time to time. Hey, Amy, feel like playing some video games for fun? I'm up for it, but I have to hit the hay early tonight. Why's that? Got plans for tomorrow? Yeah, got a crucial meetup with my partner. He's in another town, so I'll be subway bound. The subway? Last time I took it, I got all turned around. You know your way around here? Not really. Trains aren't my regular gig. Hence, I need to catch the earliest one tomorrow. Gotcha. Well, you better hit the sack early then. I'll wrap up this game. I have a headache. Sir? Come on in. What's up, Jane? I'm feeling under the weather, sir. Can I take off early today? Did you bring your leave request? Yep, right here. All right, Jane, you're free to head out. Thanks a bunch, boss. I've already wrapped up the financial report for this month. Just need to give it one last check. I'll tackle it tomorrow when I'm on the mend, and I'll catch up with the crew at the company. You've been doing stellar work, Jane. Now, go home and take care of yourself. Appreciate it, sir. How's it going? David, long time no see. Finally, we met again. Tracy, how's it going? I moved to New York because of my work. I try to get used to the hustling and bustling lifestyle here. I know, right? At first, I was amazed by the pace of life in this city. Everything makes me feel like I'm falling behind. but I believe you'll soon love it, just like the way I did. I hope so. By the way, how do you do? Well, I'm enjoying my married life. Balancing between career and family is quite tough, though. Please introduce me to your wife and your kids someday. Definitely. Hey, don't leave yet. We see you reaching for that skip button. Stay till the end. It's worth it. Trust us. Your English will thank you. You got this. So, heard you got a job offer, huh? Are you excited about it? Totally, but kinda freaking out too. Like, can I even handle this? Hey, only you can answer that. Listen to that gut feeling, you know? Think about where you want to be in 5 years. True that. Fear's gotta take a back seat. You got this. Dive in, no regrets, right? No matter what, I've got your back. Thanks, you're a lifesaver. So, decision time. I'm going for it. That's my girl. I knew you'd crush it. Who's your favorite movie star? Who's your favorite movie star? Tom Hanks, for sure. Oh, why? He's just a great actor, you know? Forrest Gump. Cast Away. The guy's a legend. Totally get it. I've caught a few of his flicks. He's got mad skills. So, who's your pick? Mine's also a Tom. Tom Cruise. Ah, gotcha. He's a big deal too, huh? Yeah, he's a movie legend. Agreed. Let's keep watching awesome movies like theirs. Take a break. Hey, what's up? You seem a bit off. Something on your mind? Yeah, been feeling kind of low lately. Oh, that sucks. Anything specific? Just a lot going on, you know? Overwhelming. I get it. But let's try to perk up. Remember, tough times don't last. I know. Just hard to see the positives right now. Totally get that. But maybe focus on stuff that makes you smile. Take a break. Do something fun. You're right. Maybe a walk or some feel-good tunes. Great idea. And remember, you're not alone. I got your back. Thank you. Means a lot. Seriously.
A piece of cake.
Guess what? I baked a cake. Want a slice?
Oh, you bet. I'm all about cake.
Sweet. Which flavor rocks your world?
Chocolate's my jam. What's yours?
Same here. Chocolate for the win. Sweet or sour, I'm in. Here you go.
Wow, this is delish. So rich and moist.
Happy to hear you're loving it. It's a top-tier recipe for me. Cake's like a happiness bomb, right?
No kidding. It's instant joy. Thanks for sharing the yumminess. More cake?
You got it. Second slice coming up.
Yay, this is like cake heaven.
What do you think about it?
So, spill the tea. Should I break up with him?
Wow, heavy stuff. What's going on?
Just some relationship hiccups that bug me.
You talked to him about it?
Tried, but it's like talking to a wall.
Well, happiness is key, you know? You gotta be feeling the love and respect.
You're totally right. I think it's time for the end credits. Not easy, but gotta put me first, you know?
No rush. Follow your gut. And hey, I got your back.
Hey, don't leave yet.
We see you reaching for that skip button.
Stay till the end. It's worth it.
Trust us, your English will thank you.